Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to read input from the console using buffered reader in Java. See, so first of all, if you want to read using the buffered reader concept, what is the advantage? What is the advantage means? First, we need to create the stream from the file. How to create the stream already we have seen. Now, how to read from the keyboard. We are creating stream to the keyboard and reading. So how? There is a class called input stream reader. Input stream reader class is there. For this input stream reader class, we need to pass keyboard object as an input. We already know keyboard object is nothing but system.in because we already work with the scanner class and we know how system.in works. That is the keyboard object. So first we need to create the input stream reader. Then we need to pass that object to the buffered reader. Then buffered stream will be created to the keyboard. Then we can read the data. But here buffered reader contains a method, a read line method to read the information. Read line method always returns which type? String type only. Always string type. So suppose if you want to read integer, that integer also will be collected in the form of string only. Then what we have to do? We need to convert. That's why right conversion methods required. String to conversion methods required. Integer, double, all conversion methods required. How? Right? Using the parse methods. Parse integer belongs to integer class. It's a wrapper class. Parse int method is there. Parse double in a double class. Parse double method is there. In Boolean class, parse Boolean method is there to convert the string into corresponding type so that we can perform the operations. So how can we read and all things? Let me explain with one example. Okay. So first I'm creating the input stream reader. Input stream reader, suppose ISR, I'm taking variables here which, then as usual buffered reader variable I'm creating. Try catch block. I don't want to handle any exception, simply throws, but I want to close the things. Same buffered not equals to null, we are just closing. If ISR is not equals to null, we are just closing. First creating the object of input stream reader equal to new input stream reader of system.in. In system class, in variable is there is representing the keyboard. We already discussed in scanner class. Now convert into buffered reader is equal to new buffered reader of passing ISR. So buffer reader is ready. Now which is connected to the keyboard so that we can read. How? Let's we ask system.out.println, enter your name. Name is a string. So how to read? br.readline. br.readline string name. And I am printing system.out.println hello so and so name, whatever you enter, welcome, just a message. Now I'm executing the code. See, just reading that name I'm giving. Hello, Amar, welcome. Multi-word string also you can read. For example, Hare Krishna. See, hello, Hare Krishna, welcome. That is. Sir, multiple types if I want to read. First, let me explain how to read two numbers and perform addition operation. Enter two numbers. Suppose I'm taking like this. The first number we collect. How br dot read line means what? It will give string. It will give string. So string s1 is equals to. Next string s2 equal to br dot read line. But suppose if you add, you cannot add. First you need to convert. In integer class, parse int method is there. Parse int. You need to specify the string s1. It will give integer value. This is the way of converting. Int y equal to integer dot parse int of s2. We are adding them and printing them. Sum equals to z. Sum equals to z. That's it. Just we are reading two numbers. Enter two numbers. 12 and 23 is a 35. In a single line also we can write directly this br dot read line. You can specify in place of s1. br dot read line. You can specify in place of s2. That is, it works. Okay. Sir, different types of data. Employee details I want to read. Enter employee details. So suppose employee ID. Same. Int ID. So next employee name. String name equals to directly because it's a string. So br dot read line. Employee salary. Double salary equals to how to convert double dot parse double of br dot read line. This is, and finally we are printing all. Details are id comma name comma salary. This is how we are reading different types. Here enter employee id, employee name, employee salary. The only advantage of buffer reader is whenever you are reading multi-word string, you will not face any problem. In case of scanner class, if you try to read using multi-word string, you will face the problems. That's why better you follow the buffered reader to read the different types of inputs in Java application. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.